Hey there, fellow students. Welcome back to our channel, Dollar Sense. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how you can make $10,000 as a student. Yes, it's possible, and we're here to share some proven methods with you. But remember, success takes hard work and dedication, so let's get started. Before we dive into these money-making opportunities, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is an incredibly versatile and accessible way for students to earn a substantial income while leveraging their unique skills. Whether you possess expertise in writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, or virtually any other marketable talent, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a global marketplace where clients are constantly seeking skilled freelancers to complete a wide range of projects. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You can work on projects that align with your strengths and interests, allowing you to turn your passions into profit. This not only enables you to gain valuable experience, but also build a solid portfolio, which can open doors to even more lucrative opportunities in the future. Freelancers can set their own rates, work from the comfort of their own space, and choose the projects that match their availability. While it may take time to establish a steady stream of clients, once you've built a strong reputation and a list of satisfied customers, your income potential increases significantly. Method 2. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a highly rewarding opportunity for students to not only boost their own income, but also make a positive impact on their peers' academic journeys. If you excel in a particular subject or have a deep understanding of specific topics, you can sign up on reputable online tutoring platforms like ShekTutors, Tutor.com, or Wyzant. These platforms connect students in need of academic support with knowledgeable tutors, and this is where your expertise can shine. One of the most compelling aspects of online tutoring is the win-win scenario it presents. As a tutor, you have the chance to earn a decent income while assisting fellow students in achieving their academic goals. Your guidance can help them grasp challenging concepts, improve their grades, and build confidence in their studies. Method 3. Selling products online is a dynamic and accessible way for students to earn a significant income. Whether you have a talent for crafting handmade goods, a collection of vintage items, or an interest in dropshipping, there are various avenues to explore in the world of e-commerce. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon provide a gateway to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a profitable side hustle. Etsy, known for its focus on handmade and unique items, is an ideal platform for creators and crafters. You can showcase your artistic talents by selling jewelry, art, clothing, or any other handcrafted products. eBay, on the other hand, offers a broader marketplace where you can list a wide range of products, including vintage items, electronics, collectibles, and more. Amazon, with its vast customer base, is perfect for students interested in starting a dropshipping business. You can source products from suppliers and sell them on Amazon without the need to manage inventory or handle shipping. Method 4. Part-time jobs. Part-time jobs remain a tried and true method for students to generate income. They provide diverse opportunities in areas like retail, food service, and campus ambassador roles, offering valuable skills such as customer service and marketing experience. What sets part-time jobs apart for students is their flexibility. Many employers understand the importance of balancing work and academics, allowing for adaptable schedules. This classic approach provides students with the ability to earn around $10,000 or more while still focusing on their education, ensuring that they can meet their financial goals without compromising their studies. It's a win-win situation that not only boosts income, but also helps students develop essential skills and time management, which can be beneficial throughout their academic and professional careers. Method 5. Investing and saving. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the power of investing and saving wisely. It's an often underestimated avenue for students to increase their income over time. Consider low-risk investment options like stocks, mutual funds, or high-yield savings accounts. While it might not provide immediate gratification, these methods can potentially yield substantial returns in the long run. Stocks offer a share in the ownership of a company, and investing in well-established, reputable companies can grow your wealth as they succeed. Mutual funds are diversified investments managed by professionals, reducing individual risk. High-yield savings accounts accrue interest over time, increasing your initial deposit. The beauty of investing is the potential for passive income as your money works for you. By diligently saving and wisely investing, students can steadily build a financial cushion while focusing on their studies. It's a forward-thinking strategy that can lead to financial security and significant earnings down the road. These are 5 practical and achievable avenues for students to earn $10,000 or more. While success in any of these endeavors requires dedication and effort, it's entirely within reach. To maximize your chances of reaching your financial goals, it's crucial to do your research, understand your chosen field or method, and set clear, measurable objectives. Consistency and motivation are key. Staying committed to your chosen path will make a significant difference in your results. Remember that as a student, you're not only investing in your financial future, but also gaining valuable experience that can benefit your career in the long run. Each of these opportunities offers unique advantages and can be tailored to your strengths and interests. With the right approach and determination, you can turn your student years into a period of financial growth and personal development. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to financial success as a student.